Special Agent Fox Mulder here, and welcome to 2024, first train of the year, Steel Horse Australia, and we're down at Tired, about 55 clicks to southeast of Melbourne in Victoria, Australia, and looks like we've got a good size load. Widescreen mode. Well, looks like he had about half the yard on him that time. Good Monday morning or Monday afternoon now train. Heading down to the yard. There we go. I've got him going across the road here. He's pulling up to the BlueScope manufacturing plant. We'll watch him go across the road, and then we'll shoot down the road a bit further, and we'll see what else is on track. Should be a doodlebug coming past. Sorry, I had the heater on high burst there, notch 8. 100% humidity here today. Outrageous. Been raining here since yesterday, about 11 o'clock. First day back filming trains for a couple of weeks. Wasn't sure if the Steel Horse was going to turn up, but it did the right thing, turned up for me, and hopefully we'll be heading back up towards Melbourne this afternoon. And there we go. We usually have to have a stop, because just up a bit further from where the engine will be stopping will be what we call a Scotch block here, which is just a derailleur, a manual derailleur. Engineer will hop out and disengage it. And then he'll remount and put those steel coils we saw first. They'll be going up the hill, their first cab off the rank, and then those hoppers will be heading into the BlueScope yard proper. You can see the end of train through the trees. Not a bad size for the steel train. And we're just on the outskirts of Hastings here, which is about 60 kilometres southeast of Melbourne, along the Stony Point to Frankston line. End of train. Alright, we'll go down and get us a doodlebug. Here's your road on the left there to BlueScope Manufacturing, Barclay Crescent. I'll leave a link in the description. Street view map, Google map. for you all to have a pass your eyeballs over. Alright, gate should start going down any minute. Doodlebug pulling up to the Hastings station. Just giving a horn salute to everyone down there. Gates at the next intersection have started to go down, so means our ones will be going right now. There we go. And you can see a little bit of the doodlebug's eye sticking over the top of the hill there, just peeking its beak over. And we'll just pause it until he gets up and running again. All right, bright light on. About to cross Graydon's Road. In fact, that would be Coolstore Road. Check out your Google Maps, peeps. Shout out to Mike from Wild World of Trains and Dave from Baltimore and Ohio. I'll leave a link to both their channels in the description. Doodlebug ahoy. He's going to be booking Jack widescreen mode. Horn salute, all right. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. It was motoring Jack. Running a little bit late, the bug. Coolio. First video back for 2024. Successful. A couple of steel trains and Doodlebug. Excellent. Okay, thanks for watching. Go ahead and flick a couple of fireworks onto that like button and set it off firing through the air. And yeah, buy the subscribe button, a couple of beers while you're at it. Okay, that'll be Special Agent Fox Mulder out.